Hello, everybody, and welcome to my home. I'm Patrick from the James E. Richmond Science Center. I'm usually giving Science on the Sphere presentations at the Science Center, but as you can imagine, I don't have a Science on the Sphere here in my home. But I have this pretty cool app on my phone. It's called SOSx. It's from NOAA, and it stands for Science on the Sphere Explorer, and it's the mobile version that you can download on your phone or tablet. And I have that here hooked up to my television as well. So we're just going to show you a few different data sets, just 3 today. 2 of them are things that I don't normally show at the Science Center because this app has some different capabilities. And then I'll end with one of your favorites there at the Science Center. So we'll start with this one. This is a surface temperature image here. And what's really cool is that we're going to be able to analyze the data using this app. So I'm gonna kind of make the screen a bit bigger for you here. All right, there we are. Okay, so what we can see here are the temperature data. Reds are your warmer temperatures and blues are colder temperatures. We have some colder temperatures, as you might imagine, in the polar areas, and then much warmer right there along the equator. But like I said, what's interesting with this app compared to the Science on the Sphere is that if I take this to say this is December, so it's kind of cool to show seasonal variations as you've seen at the center. But if I analyze this, I can take this probe, and if I just mark a spot there, it'll say it's 44 degrees Fahrenheit. If I go up towards the poles, it says it's negative 20 degrees. Down here in the Gulf of Mexico, 74 degrees. But what's really neat is the transect option here. So I can draw a line, basically, from this really cold area in the north all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, and you'll see how it has this chart, this graph that it plotted here, showing that change in temperature across that transect. Colder temperatures here, up to the warmer temperatures down here. Now, if I were to draw the line more horizontally like that, you'll see it's not a huge change because we're pretty close to the same latitude line, showing that difference there. It's one cool feature with this app as well. The next one is a really new data set. I haven't had the chance to show it yet because of not being there at the Science Center. This is showing us planet rotations relative to Earth. And so Earth's full day rotation of almost 24 hours is 60 seconds on this animation. You'll see like Mars, for example, is very similar to Earth, whereas Venus up there is moving much more slowly and in the opposite direction. One full day on Venus is 243 days on Earth days on Venus. Compare that to Jupiter, which is moving at a rapid 45,583 kilometers per hour at the equator. And so one full day there is only almost 10 hours, Earth hours. So that's another cool data set there that I can't wait to actually see on the Science on the Sphere, whenever that is. And then we'll finish up with, like I said, one of your favorites, and that is the air traffic data set, looking at commercial air traffic on any typical day. And what's interesting about this, the reason I brought this one up, aside from it being one of your favorites, is that typically we would say there's around 5,000 flights at any given time over the US, right? So like right at that point there. Typically about 5,000 planes during the day. And I just looked this up, and currently there's around 2,500 planes that are over the US. So about half, that's likely due to the effects of the coronavirus. But this is not a real-time data set, so this is just showing you on a typical day what that is. So thank you for joining us here today. We'll be posting these probably once a week. It'll be on Facebook, Twitter, and on our website, along with some different activities for different age groups as well. Those likely will be going out on Friday. So again, check Twitter, Facebook, and our website for those. And stay safe and have a good one.